It's been a long time, real long time since I posted here, but now I'm here and then I'm gonna try hard to be consistent. So looking at this chart right now, this is real mind blowing. This is a trade that I'm looking forward to taking. And let's just look here. So yes, GBP USD 4 hour time frame. So we are in an uptrend. We are in an uptrend. Then we broke a high. You see at this line here, right? There's horizontal ray, we broke a high, we broke up here. So here becomes our strong low. Our strong low is here. And basically up here is our strong high, right? We have this other horizontal ray. So this is our strong high. And now I'm looking for a retracement. So I'm expecting price to retrace and then go up and then continue on the trend. So price has to retrace and then continue the trend. So since we are in an uptrend, I need price to retrace this and then continue the uptrend. So until price can reach to the point of retracement, I'm gonna continue selling. So and that's why you need to understand, right? So you know the direction of your higher time frame, but that doesn't mean if if the trend is bullish you can sell, or if the trend is bearish you can buy. So I know this is bearish, so I'm aware of it, and then I'm going to continue selling until price reaches that point of retracement. So, like, let's say if I'm gonna draw my fib, right? I'm gonna draw my fib. It's gonna be like this. So, take from the strong, okay, from this high to this low. So, until price can reach to the 50% of this zone, I'm gonna continue selling. So that's just why it is. That's just why it is. So let me just get it out for clarity. So now let me zoom in on this rectangle, yes, right? So now you're seeing this particular rectangular box here. So this is in imbalance, right? This imbalance, and price is gonna react. Price is gonna once price takes out a high or a low, it's gonna seek to refill imbalance, or yeah, take out a high or low again. So in this case, there's an imbalance here. So I'm expecting price to come to this imbalance and then react from there. So I'm expecting price to head to the direction right now. So knowing this, I head to my 15-minute time frame. So on my 15-minute time frame, I drawed my okay. So I draw my value range, right? I draw my value range. So yes, it's the high that break this low right here, and then I draw my value range coming from this point. So that's it. And then potentially what I'm doing is waiting for price. So I already said, so you see this imbalance is now high on the 4 hour time frame. So that's where I'm gonna get my take profit, right? I'm gonna take my take profit. That's a little confusing. So I'm gonna take my take profit. Okay, great. And now I got my value range on this 15-minute time frame, but I don't execute my entry on the 15-minute time frame. So now I head to the 1 minute time frame where the magic happens, right? So 15-minute time frame, 15-minute time frame, 1 minute time frame, sorry. So the 1 minute time frame, now what happens is this horizontal ray, this purple horizontal ray you're seeing, these are liquidity grab, right? Like you see, these are liquidity, right? These are liquidity. So before the market move, the market always sees to take liquidity, and since the market is fractal, it means that patterns, and what happens, patterns that happen on the higher time frame also happens on lower time frames, and it just goes like that. So I'm also looking for price to seek liquidity. Since it's going to head to the downside, there has to be some kind of a put, from somewhere. So these are my liquidities mark here. So once price sweep this liquidity, only one I need, like either one of them or the both of them, whatever, and then price make or trend change to the downside, immediately I'm getting to the trend. Like I'm gonna get into the trade immediately. So why did it popping up? So immediately once price, all I need to is a price to take out this liquidity or either one of them, and then do what? Give me a trend change. After the trend change, I'm not waiting for the pullback. Like I'm getting to the trade. So This is a high probability setup, very high up to now. Price hasn't yet, sweep liquidity. So I just have my risk management tool here, right? My risk management tool here just to track this trade. But honestly, I haven't entered the trade yet, okay? I haven't entered, like I said, I'm waiting for liquidity to be swept before whatever else can happen. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So just waking up by 5 o'clock and then head of the chart, what we got last night to see what's going on. So on 15-minute time from here, a lot of craziness is happening, but as expected, it's the Asian session. So just gonna head down to the 1 minute, see what's up. What do we have? Wow, it's still a little bit sleepy right now. So, like I said, this race. So let me see what the price first. Okay, so at this point here, price touch our trend line. Okay, not trend line, but liquidity price took liquidity right here. So now the question is, what is the bottom range that took out this liquidity? It's not this one here. The bottom range that took out the liquidity is not right here. It's this one, right? So that's why I mark the low. I mark the low here. So this is the bottom range low that took our liquidity. So now what we'll be looking for is for this low to be broken, right? So if this low is broken, then now we have a trend change, okay? So another one, liquidity again are taken, but this is the same liquidity that was taken. So price just revisited the area, and then this is our major low, okay? So like the market is fractal, so within every time frame patterns repeats over patterns. So this is our major low, so we wait for the major low to be taken, okay? mm. When I woke up first, I look at the chat, people starting recording. I saw this thing, and I didn't, look back, and I thought, okay, you know what, this is where the corridor of West taking, and okay, let's do this. But looking back, I was like, no, 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 I was making mistakes. So that's just why it is, guys. And so wait for this little bit taking. Yeah, hasn't been taken yet. Price came, kiss it, and still didn't touch it. So gonna wait for this low to be taken in, right? And wait for price to retraces back to our area. Normally it's what something I would don't do, but I have to have a good range to and stuff. So price to let me just add a stuff on this thing. A light, man. Add a light on this thing. So that's right. So price to break this major low. And as soon as price breaks this major low, so let's say our our stop loss is not gonna be way up here now, okay? Oh no, no, this huge. It's not gonna be up here. So as soon as price breaks this major low, the question now is, what is the high that breaks? What is the value range that break this major low? Now, when we know the value range that breaks the major low, then the value range should be our stop loss. But for safety, we can go to a previous value range just to be covered by that highlights. And yeah, gonna wait again. Maybe I'm not gonna sleep right now. I should be doing some stuff, but I may sleep in something, but I say so. As a light is already here, we're gonna wait and see what's happening, and then we wake up to execute it straight. So that's it, guys. That's it. So like some of you guys will be wondering, so but you didn't have okay, we move this stuff again. Okay, so we didn't have a horizontal area, right?